Hello guys! In today's tutorial, I'll show you the steps for uploading and verifying your ads.txt file on Shopify. Let's begin with a short explanation. The ads.txt file is a simple text document used to tell advertising networks which companies are officially allowed to sell ad space for your site. Adding this file boosts transparency and helps protect your site from unauthorized ad selling. We'll upload the file to Shopify, obtain its URL, and check whether it is accessible on your domain. First, sign in to your Shopify admin area. After logging in, go to your store's File Storage section. Depending on your Shopify layout, you'll find it under Content, Files or Settings, then Files. Both paths take you to the same file manager where your uploaded assets are stored. Click Upload File. Then, locate and select your ads.txt file. Ensure the file is named exactly ads.txt in all lowercase and saved as a plain text document. If you wrote the file manually, avoid using word processors. Use a plain text editor so no hidden formatting gets added. Once the upload finishes, you'll see the file appear in the list. Open the file entry and copy the full URL Shopify provides. This is the direct link to your ads.txt file on the server. Keep this URL accessible. You may need it for verification or sharing with advertising platforms. Now, open a new browser tab and go to your domain followed by /ads.txt. For example, your store name .com/ads.txt. When the page loads, make sure the contents match the file you uploaded. You should see the exact lines from your ads.txt file with each authorized seller listed separately. If nothing appears, or if you see an older version, try refreshing the page, opening it in a private or incognito window, or clearing your browser. The browser can sometimes delay updated content from appearing. Also, check that your domain properly points to your Shopify site and that no redirects are blocking access to /ads.txt. Once the correct file displays at yourstorename.com/ads.txt, your setup is essentially complete. Remember that ad platforms such as Google AdSense may need 24 to 48 hours to detect and confirm the updated ads.txt file. This waiting period is completely normal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon for more tutorials and tips on how to make the most of your Shopify site. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.